Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, finally we got a small breakout, and now we can see that gold is trading in a tight range, narrow range. Yesterday, gold made a high of almost 2763, and right now we can see gold is trying to take support around 2750. So this move was extremely bullish. But if we focus on the present trend of the market here, we can see that gold seems to be flat right now. And what is the reason? For that, we need to check out the market sentiment. So gold holds gain. Gold remained above 2750 per ounce on Thursday, holding a 3-day gain, hovering near its highest level since early November, relatively close to its record peak 2790. The metal continued to benefit from its safe haven Apple uncertainty surrounding President Donald Trump's tariff bans, raising concerns about potential trade wars. Gold holds near record high amid Trump policy risk. So market is mostly waiting for the President Donald Trump's new policies, and there's little bit of uncertainty in the air. If you look at the chart of dollar index also, this DXY, you can see the dollar index is also a little bit confused right now about the new policies. For example, see, dollar stabilizes as traders assess Trump policies. Dollar flat as market await tariff direction. So there's uncertainty in the air right now. So we can expect the market to remain choppy for quite some time. And if you look at the economy Canada, we can see that today we have initial jobless claims data. Okay, so market will be volatile. Beginners, be careful, but it is not a major event that can change the direction of the market completely. But yes, there will be volatility. There will be spikes in the market. So your stop losses may be under trend. Okay, so be careful. Okay, but do not expect a complete trend reversal or trend continuation. But there will be spikes. If you're a scalper, day trader, then you can try to make some money fast. And my friends, I have one more announcement here to make that many people request for Hindi channel. Probably those who have joined recently, they don't know. आपको पता नहीं होगा. We have a Hindi channel. Okay, the name of the channel is Priyanka Talks. Okay, मेरी wife regularly video upload करती है वहाँ पे. So I will paste the link in the description in the comment section. यहाँ पे आपको regular आपको videos मिल जाएगा regarding XAUUSD, Gold MCX and all. Okay, recently Bitcoin के बारे में ही सोचा है. Okay, let's see. But yes, you can join the channel, subscribe the channel for regular Hindi updates and analysis. Let's talk about a chart of gold. So whenever we have a market condition like this, means market is mostly waiting for some data or market is mostly waiting for direction. The problem is that the immediate levels, okay, the immediate levels are not very reliable and the reliable ones are far away. So here also we have a similar scenario. We have already discussed many times about the level of 2675778, and we discussed about 2690. So those levels are still valid, but they are far away. So chances of coming down to these levels are very less. Okay, so if we keep aside these levels, okay, so where can we buy? We can also buy around 27162719 that we discussed yesterday. We can also buy around 27252729 that we discussed yesterday. The two blue boxes, we have derived this level with the help of price action. You can clearly see on the chart. Apart from the price action, you can also see that we also have the 100 moving average around 272529 area. So during the day, if market comes down, if market falls, then we can look for a buy around these two areas if market takes support. Okay, but again the same problem. We can clearly see the volume is very less right now. In this present condition of the market, chances of coming down to 271519 or 2729 is very less. During the European session, if market comes, then well and good. But no level is permanent. Keep in mind, our capital is limited. Do not gamble. Okay, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So if you see the market is taking support, if you see market is showing price rejection from below, then only go for buy around these two support levels. Okay, and if market totally remains like this, market is flat, market is dull, okay, you are yawning, okay, then in that case, okay, you cannot do anything. What you can do is you can look for a buy around these two levels, the red line and the dotted line. The red line is 2745 and the dotted line is 2734. We have used Fibonacci to derive the level of 2745. Here you can see Fibo 23.6% retracement level, and this is our Fibo 38.2% retracement level. Already I have told you guys that in this present condition, especially in the last couple of days, we have seen that our beloved Fibonacci, my heart Fibonacci, is not working properly. Okay, so if volume is less or volume is low, then we can expect Fibo to work as of now. So if market during the day, especially before the US session, okay, after US session 45-34 will not work because they are weak levels, they are minor levels, they do not have the potential to provide support. Sub level का ताकत एक नहीं होता. So if you see the market is showing support or showing price rejection from below during the Asian session, European session on 45 and 34 level, then you can buy. How much you can expect? 40 to 50 pips, and your SL should also be the same, means 1:1 risk to reward ratio. And during the US session or in the evening session, if you see that there is a sudden volume in the market is going up, in that case you can look for buy above 2764 as well. So 2764 as well. Before US session, chances of market going for breakout is very less, as we have already discussed 2-3 times yesterday, day for yesterday also. For a breakout, consolidation is important. Right now we can see, okay, chances are very less. So US session ke dauran, if you see that market is going up, then you can buy above 2764. But as of now, if market breaks also, wait for some time, wait for 3 to 4 hours just to observe whether it's a breakout or a false breakout here. So let me wrap it up. So overall, the trend of the market is very much bullish. There is no doubt about it. But because of the uncertainty about the Trump's policies, we can see little bit of indirection or uncertainty in the market. Therefore, the dollar chart, the gold chart is little bit flat right now. So if you have any ongoing buy position in the market right now, you can continue with your buy position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, respecting the overall trend, it will be better for us, safer for us to look for buy positions only. But as the market is choppy, the volume is low right now, so chances of market coming down to reliable levels are very less. So we are looking for some immediate levels. So the best immediate support levels that are also reliable are 271915 and 272925, the blue boxes. If market takes support, then only buy. Do not buy blindly. No level is permanent. If you see that there is a sudden selling pressure during the US session, market is forming big red candles, forget about buys. Okay, follow the trend of the market. And as these levels are also a little bit far away, volume is low right now, so we are looking for some quick levels like 2734 and 2745 for 40 to 50 pips during the day, not after the US session. And if market doesn't come for retracement, because we have seen earlier also, market is sometimes so bullish that it doesn't come for retracement, it straight away goes for a breakout. If that happens, we can look for buy above 2764 as well. My dear friends, one of the most common questions that I get every day is which forex broker to choose. My dear friends, you can visit my website. The link will be in the description. I have mentioned few brokers here. Okay, as per your trading requirement, you can choose a broker, because see, for day trader, for a swing trader, and for a positional trader, the requirements will be different. For example, if you're a day trader, you need low spread. If you're a swing trader, you need what? You need no swap. Yeah, swap charges can kill you. So as per your trading requirement, you can choose a broker. From the page here, I have mentioned each and everything. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.